Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Rifki. I will explain to you how is the tasty of BTSA. BTSA. I will try now. Hmm. Hmm. Delicious. Really very delicious. The taste incredible. The cheesy tasty will in your mouth. I'm sure you will addicted to it. Okay guys, don't forget to try it. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.